To get started with Wells Fargo mobile banking, you will need to have a Wells Fargo account and a mobile device with internet access. First, you need to download the Wells Fargo mobile banking app from the App Store or Google Play, depending on your device. Once the app is downloaded, open it and click on the Enroll button to begin the enrollment process. You will be asked to enter your Wells Fargo account information, including your account number, social security number, and password. If you do not have a password, you can create one during this process. Follow the prompts to complete the enrollment, which may include answering security questions and agreeing to the terms and conditions. After enrolling, you will be able to log in to the app using your username and password. If you have not already, you will be prompted to set up a username and password during the enrollment process. Once logged in, you can navigate the app to view your account balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and deposit checks. To add an extra layer of security to your account, consider setting up fingerprint or facial recognition login. This will allow you to log into the app quickly and securely without having to enter your username and password each time. You can also customize your account settings and notifications to fit your needs. In addition to the mobile app, you can also access your account online by visiting the Wells Fargo website. Simply click on the Login button and enter your username and password to access your account information and complete various banking tasks. It is essential to keep your account information and login credentials secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. Make sure to use a strong password and keep it confidential, and consider changing it periodically for added security. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and easily access your Wells Fargo account using mobile banking.